Big news today with one of Solana's top DeFi protocols, Raydium, introducing LaunchLab. Raydium's all-in-one token Launchpad built for creators, developers, and the community. Pump.fun now has some competition. So we're going to go ahead and test out LaunchLab in this video, see what makes it unique from Pump.fun and its competitors. Before I get started, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So diving further into this post from a few hours ago by Raydium, it says get started with just send it mode, launch a token, hit 85 SOL, liquidity migrates to Raydium's AMM instantly. Seamless on-chain token creation, no migration fee, no gatekeepers, just send it energy. Raydium's LaunchLab allows creators to issue tokens and bootstrap liquidity for it. LaunchLab is Raydium's community-powered token launch platform designed for traders searching for latest tokens and creators looking for a simple but powerful way to drive customizable launches. Whether you're buying the next runner, creating a meme coin, or experimenting with new mechanics, LaunchLab gives you the tools to get started now. So let's test this out. Let's connect our wallet, connect Phantom Wallet, and then let's click on launch token because we were just talking about that's kind of one of the unique things. So here's the just send it mode. Go ahead, give it a name, a ticker, description, an image, create the token. If you do that, the token will migrate once it hits 85 SOL directly to Raydium AMMs. If you want to go the custom route, you go LaunchLab, and this is where you click on advanced options. You can change the token supply, amount of SOL raised, bonding curve. You can change this to 55. You could change SOL raised to, so minimum amount is 30, so you could say 45, and customize this however you want using LaunchLab. Couple things to point out right away. It says share, refer, earn SOL. Share your link and get referral fees airdrop to you. So that's interesting. And it says half the fees from tokens created on LaunchLab UI go to community pool. More info coming soon on that. If we click on platforms, you can see these are all the platforms it's pulling in from. So if we want to just see Raydium, click on that. And then let's go to new, 0 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. So a lot of new tokens are already being created on LaunchLab. Let's sort this by market cap. If you see this symbol right here and you hover over it, it means this token is custom LaunchLab parameters set by the creator. Make sure to check out the token page for full details. So let's go to this one, TVC Trump first. So we're on the 1 minute chart. Here's the market cap, buy and sell over here. Here's where you can copy your referral link to share on X or anywhere you'd like. And here's the bonding curve migration level. So this one's at 100 SOL. So if they just use the default, which is just send it, you'd only need 85, but they use LaunchLab and went ahead and customized the token parameters. So migration level is 100 SOL. It's at 57%. You see comments here, transactions, and then holders. So let's go ahead and test this out. We'll just randomly pick one. We'll pick Launchpad. Okay, so I'm just going to test out buying this. Take a look at transactions. There's been quite a few on this one. Take a look at holders. Again, I'm just randomly picking this one to show an example of buying on here. So migration level 85 SOL. So this looks like it's just the standard. Just send it. 16% of the bonding curve. Let's go ahead and say buy 0.1 SOL. Buy token confirmed. Check our Phantom wallet, and there it is. It's pretty simple. Just go to sell. You can sell max. You can sell 50%. 25%, whatever you want to do. So pretty straightforward. So I think it's good to give Pump.fun some competition. I think the ability to customize a token launch is great, customizable bonding curves, and then just a community focus with half of the fees from tokens created on LaunchLab UI going to community pool, which again we'll learn more about, it looks like soon. Referral program. This is an interesting development. Meme coins obviously have been down for a while now, but if you think there's any chance of them coming back, then it might be a good time to at least get familiar with this new Solana token launch platform in LaunchLab. One more thing I'll point out, if you use Bullx, which is one of the most popular trading bot platforms for Solana meme coins, and you click over here on DEXs, you'll notice they already have LaunchLab integrated right here, which is great. This is going to pull in meme coins from all of the meme coin launch platforms on Solana. So definitely interesting new development in the Solana meme coin ecosystem with the launch of LaunchLab. Hopefully this is helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. See you in the next one.